Welcome back to Mompreneur Profits. Excuse my voice, getting over a little coughing cold here. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, make sure that you like this video, share this video with someone, especially a mom, especially a woman in general as well too. So, basically, I wanted to offer you this amazing opportunity, but I wanted to go over how you can become a beauty influencer, or how you basically can help the next mom level up her skincare. Most likely you have heard of Farmasi, most likely you have not. It is basically all about makeup, skincare, and nutrition. Make sure you check that description below as well too. Now, why Farmasi? I've heard of Farmasi for a few years. I never really tapped into it, and I never really actually took my skincare serious, or how to enhance my body, how to make myself look better and feel good at the same time. Farmasi is all about the product. It's all about making sure the next person feels good. There's an opportunity with Farmasi. The service is amazing. The trust is absolutely there, and it's global. Farmasi was founded by Dr. C. Tuna. Farmasi was founded by Dr. C. Tuna. Hopefully I'm saying the name right on this. Farmasi has been around for over 70 years. It has 7 million plus Farmasi influencers worldwide. So this opportunity itself is worldwide. It's global. It's the number one in direct sales when it comes to MLM. And I know what you're thinking. Oh my God, another MLM, and you got to build the legs, and you got to do this, and you got to do that. No. Let's not focus on that. Let's focus on how this company has been around for over 70 years. Even though you see that it says it's number 28, it's actually number 11 globally now. So when I say it's been around for 70 years, Dr. C was born in 1923. He graduated from medical school in 1947. But he started creating his own formulas in 1950. Hello? He created formulas in 1950. But the Farmasi brand itself wasn't born until 2004. But it's been around for over 70 years because he created formulas in 1950. But the brand itself wasn't born until 2004. Now, the Dr. C. Tuna brand was not born until 2009. And direct selling didn't start until 2010 in Turkey. This company itself is based in Turkey. The Farmasi has the world's largest cosmetic facility. It is scientific research and development laboratory. So everything is basically in-house. Nothing is outsourced. Everything is in-house. Farmasi itself has its own plant, own hotel space, own everything. Everything is in-house. Nothing is outsourced or anything like that. They produce everything in-house. Everything is well packaged. Everything right down to the skincare. The products are skincare, nutrition, and makeup. And when I tell you that gel cleanser, that toner, and that hydrating cream, woo, that's top tier right there. When I tell you my skin is glowing, it feels so soft when I use it. Ooh, that's a win-win for me right there. Taking care of your skin is absolutely important, but also what you put in your body as well too also absorbs your skin. So for some people, if you eat a whole bunch of chocolate and you start to notice things, you got to stop eating chocolate. So even though you're taking care of your skin, it's also what goes into your body as well too. That's why they have nutrition. Over 70 years of quality products. Well, it started in 2004, but I'm just saying, over 70 years of quality. Affordable luxury. They have new products that launches every month, essential products. This is something that you can basically offer to your customer if you become a brand influencer with Farmasi. Think about when you're trying to get those brand deals and you're pitching to every single brand deal that it is, and they telling you no, or they not writing you back, or you pitching to them and they pitch you $500 and you do a video and they tell you to redo the video and they tell you that they don't want this or they don't want that. This is a whole different ball game though. Brand deals itself is who you pitch to. You got every brand deal out there. You got some that may come to you. But at the same time, if that video is not what they want, they're going to tell you to redo it. Then you got to renegotiate your money. With this, no. This is an affiliate marketing, pharmacy, beauty, opportunity. It's global. It's been trusted for over 70 years. They also have a headquarters in Miami, Florida. They have a community of like-minded individuals, people that want to win, people that want to be able to travel the world. Wouldn't you want to be able to travel the world and go to Turkey, to go to different places besides where you live at? I know I would. So let's talk about the pharmacy opportunity real quick. This is very easy, very simple. It's not no pressure or anything like that. It's not that you got to build a whole bunch of people and make this. No. This is about learning, applying, and earning. Yes, you can build a team, but it doesn't have to be a massive team. There's 10 ways to earn. Let's talk about a few. The first one is the welcome program. Earn free products and more during your first 4 months. The second way is online commissions. Earn 50% of the sales from your personal store. Retail profit. Earn 50% when you sell a product to a customer. You can earn free product when you do team building. You can earn up to 25% commission on your personal volume. All you need is 125 personal volume. That's really not a lot of product. I'm going to tell you this. Buy only what you need, only what you want to try. Never buy more than you can afford. Than you can't afford. That's what I'm trying to say. Don't buy more than you actually need. Don't have a lot of product just sitting around. Try small things and then go to the big things. We buy products every day, right? So why not buy from yourself and still make a profit? Right? Easy, simple. 50% commission. You sell $100, you earn $50. That's affiliate marketing. When you are promoting a product and somebody purchases from you, you're earning 50% commission. You sell $200 worth of items a customer buy, you're earning 50% commission. It's just that simple. Affiliate marketing is promoting a product, a link that you have that's already done for you. Think about on TikTok Shop or something. If you're a TikTok Shop affiliate, you have a link to that product. When you promote that product and somebody goes and click on your link, you're going to make a commission. You may make $5 off of that product, $18, $20, but you're going to make a commission. Affiliate marketing is the most easiest, simplest form to actually start something because it's already done for you. Websites cost money. Products cost money. This is well trusted. Let's look at this, but don't focus on this too much because this is the most simplest thing. Focus on, oh man, I can make 50% commission off of selling skincare, nutrition, and makeup. If you're a makeup artist, if you're on your health journey, if you're on your skincare journey, moms, ladies, if you make it to director, you're earning $1,000 cash bonus. This is not an auto ship type thing. This is not, you need to purchase every single day, every single week. You can purchase on a monthly basis if you want to. As long as you have 125 personal volume within a 4 to 6 month span. That's it. To stay active, that's it. You could easily make that for yourself. Think about this. If you're a golden director, you get a trip to Turkey on Farmasi. That's a win-win. So let's talk about how to get started, which is very simple. You're going to choose your pack. Sometimes we have something that's going, you can start for $7, $10, or $15. You can add a product to it as well. If you want to try the aloe glow, if you want to try like a skincare product, you can choose that. You want to create your content and start sharing as well too. And learn more about the products by coming to the training calls, by reading over the information. Just that simple. Enrollment kits. You can start for $19.99 as a starter kit. And if you want to add products on, you can. Just that simple. Also, we have tools. You get a free personal website. You get a full dashboard and reporting in the back office. You get a mobile app, content library, Martin mobile design digital catalog. Are you ready to say yes to Farmasi? You see how simple that was? It wasn't complicated. So let me show you something right quick. Let me show you about the website. This is a done for you Farmasi website. Already done for you. Right here is my name. If you join the Farmasi subscription program, this is the perks that you get. We even got Mother's Day stuff going on right now. If you want to become a customer. If you join, if you join the subscription program, this is what you'll basically be paying. You're saving money. If you want to become a Farmasi influencer, let me go back. Give me a second. I think it's trying to help. Let me see. Okay, there we go. So if you want to become a Farmasi influencer, right? 50% commission from day one. 50% product discounts, bonuses, flexible work. Work this any way you want to. Remember I told you about $19.99, the starter kit. If you want to add on a product with makeup like mascara, you can add that on as well. Also right now, recording this video April 26th, 2026. Right now you can sign up for $11. You can sign up for $11. Now if you want to go and add something like, let's say you want to do a face mask. You want to add on a face mask? You can add that on. And then what you'll do is you'll click on view cart. And it'll tell you exactly. I think, let me see, did it get my other one? I don't think he got it. But you get the idea of what I'm saying. Like you'll click on if you want to become a pharmacy influencer, that's what you'll basically click on. Let me go back. And it'll show up directly in your cart. That right there can get no simpler. It's very simplified. So, becoming a pharmacy influencer, I mean, taking care of your skin, earning an extra income as well, that's a win-win to me. So make sure you check that description below. If you want to become a pharmacy influencer, you can text me beauty at 662-694-1709. Check that description below. If you want to just sign up as a customer and save some money and try the products as well, you can text me customer at 662-694-1709. And I will see you on the inside. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I hope you have a blessed day.